Hello everyone, I am the Product After Sales Engineer of Guangdong Alink Energy Equipment Company Limited. Next, I will make a detailed operation demonstration on the maintenance of Alink air compressor. Prepare maintenance tools and consumables. The specific content is now shown to you. Shut down the air compressor and wait for the machine to stop completely for 10 minutes. After confirming that, the pressure gauge on the oil-gas separator indicates 0 MPa. Release the plug of the oil drain port of the air compressor, oil-gas separator, and connect the oil drain pipe. Start the air compressor and press the emergency stop button when the air compressor starts to load. Then open the oil-gas separator drain ball valve to drain oil. Repeat the operation several times until the oil is discharged. Finally, close the ball valve. Remove the oil drain pipe and screw on the plug. Turn off the power of the air compressor and vent the compressed air from the air tank. Remove the air filter assembly and replace it with a new one. Clean up the dust on the air filter assembly during the replacement. Replace the oil filter with a special oil filter wrench. When replacing the new oil filter, be sure to add new oil into it. Remove the air outlet pipe connecting the oil-gas separator to the radiator. The small oil return pipe from the oil-gas separator to the compressor host, and the exhaust pipe from the oil-gas separator to the inlet valve. Loosen the screw on the top cover of the oil-gas separator, and then take down the cover. Pay attention to the oil return pipe inside the top cover, which cannot be tightened, and then take down the old filter element for oil-gas separator. Finally, scrub the paper pads on both sides with a blade. Pour the new oil directly into the oil-gas separator until the oil level indicated by the oil mirror reaches the upper limit red line on the oil mirror. Put on the new filter element for oil-gas separator. Cover the top cover and tighten the screws. Finally, connect all the removed pipelines. Check that all pipes are connected and clean the inside of the machine. After confirming that all the pipes are connected, start the device and running. Okay, here is a maintenance introduction of Alink air compressor. If you have any questions, please call the National Service Hotline 400-830-2208 and contact us. Thank you.